How my dear friend, once again welcome to our online classes. Student, previous chapter we have studied about globes and map. In this chapter we have discussed what is globe and what is map and how to read a map and why we should use a map. So all the things we have discussed. But today we are going to learn a new chapter and very interesting fact also. So before going to start our chapter, I would like to ask one question to you student. Can anyone tell me what is your country's name? Very good, that is India. Okay, so our country name is India. So today we are going to learn about India and its neighboring countries. Once again I repeat, India and its neighboring countries. So what do you mean by neighboring? It may be arises that question to in your mind, that is what do you mean by neighboring. So before start our chapter, I would like to ask, do you have any neighbor? Okay, do you have any house? We all are living in a house. Yes or no? We all are staying in our respective home. In our home, do you have any house nearer to you? To your home or to nearer house? Can anyone tell me? Means where we are staying? Means if I am staying in Bidapur colony. Okay, if my house is Bidapur colony. Is it any other houses is to very nearer to me? Can you understand me? Okay, very good. Like this, do you have any other houses to your home or to your houses? Yes or no? Very good. Means many houses are there to nearer your house. If just think student, if it is your home, okay. So today we will discuss about what is India and its neighboring country. Okay, before going to start, I will tell you one thing, what is neighboring. Think it is your home. Okay, it is your home. It is your home. Okay, you think in your home there are any other houses are there or not? Any other house are there or not? You think. If you are staying in your home, you just look at or you find out whether any other houses or any others home are there near to your home. Yes or no? If it is your home. Your home. Is it there? Very good, is there. If it is your friend's home, your friend's house. Okay, you think this is your friend's house, this is your another friend's house. Understood? So now student, you think it is your house, means you think it is my house or your house. Okay, where you are staying every day and night. But you think when you will come out, you are very near to your house, there are, if it is your boundary, okay, if it is your boundary, in this boundary your home is there. Okay, this is the gate. Okay, and this is the another home which is connected to your boundary, and there another your friend's home which is connected to your boundary. Okay, there different gate are there. So this is the gate where we will entry plus. So if you think it is your home, nearer to whom there is other home are there, that is called, these homes are called neighborer. What? Neighbor. Understood? Where it is my house or your house, with your house another houses, many houses are there. Okay, to our connect with our boundary, means it is our boundary, according exactly connect with our boundary another houses are there. Here that is your friend's house or another friend's house, means that houses are called, this is called neighboring. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R, neighbor, B-O-U-R, neighborer. Okay, so neighboring means who is very nearer to you. Okay, who is very nearer to you means it is who is staying with, connected with your boundary. Okay, neighboring, what do you mean by neighboring? Neighboring means the home or place or country, okay, that are very near to you or connect with your home boundary. Okay, boundaries, it's called neighboring. So understood, student? Neighboring means the home or place or country that are very near to you or connect with your boundaries. That is called neighboring. That means just now I said you, if it is our home or your home, in this home connect with your another friend's home. Here left side, your right side, both are there, other homes are there. Many homes are like this, are there, back side, front side. So these are called neighboring. Understood? Means neighboring means the home or place or country that are very near to you or connect with your home boundary, that is called neighboring house or neighboring countries. Like this we will study today India and its neighboring country. How in our home or houses there is another house in near to our house, and we can say that is neighboring house or neighboring home. Like this in our country, we know our country name India. Like this there are in other countries are there which is very close to our country or which is our connected with our India's country boundary. Okay, India's boundary. So that is we can say India's neighboring country. But in when we will relate with our home, then we can say our neighboring home. Okay, these are the neighboring home. But these are called neighboring home because these homes are very nearer to us. But like this, when our country is another country is very near to our country, we can say this is neighboring country. So understood, student? Like this, today we will start our India and its neighboring country. See, this is our India map and it is our India country. See, there is full of water, and inside the India country there are many states and capitals are there. I will tell you everything. So how now we will find out what are the countries are there which is very nearer to our country. Like this, how in our home very nearer other houses are there. So like this we will find out any other country which is very nearer to our country or which is connected with our boundary, our country's boundary. Okay, this is the country's boundary. Who are the country who is connected with our boundary? Okay, now you think who are the homes are very near to you or who are the very connected with your boundary, which homes, your friends or any other people. You relate like this, you will relate our country's boundary. So it is called India and its neighboring countries. So before going to see here, our national anthem is given. You might have knows everybody our national anthem Jana Gana Mana Adhi. So you have to read this. Now let's start. I will show you who are the neighboring countries of our India. So let's come, I will show you the map. Now see, student, this is our map country, that is our country India map. Now we have to find out where and which countries are our neighboring. Okay, which countries are our neighboring means which are very close to us, or who are the country, which country are very connected with our boundaries. Before books I showed you these are the boundaries. You see, this is the boundary of our country. This is the boundary. Okay, I said you neighboring means who is very near to you or which countries or which place is very connected with our boundaries. So first of all we will discuss how many countries are there which are the neighbor to us. Okay, so students, see, this is our country, this is, you see, this is our map of our country. Now we will think, now we will observe, now we will find out which one is our very connect with our boundary or which one is very near to our India map, okay, or our India. So now you think this is the Pakistan. Okay, Pakistan is our neighboring country, because you see, you might have seen many times the news will come about the Pakistan and India war, because this is another part I will tell you later. But now you see Pakistan, which is very close to us, means that boundary, our boundary is common. Okay, here our boundary, after boundary Pakistan is there, means it is our neighboring, means it is connected with our countries. Now you see, this is the Afghanistan. Afghanistan also it is connected to our boundaries. You see that Afghanistan line is comes under the Afghanistan is also connected with our boundary, means it is very near to us. It is also, now Pakistan, Afghanistan are the neighboring country. Now you come to see here, you see this is very big area that is called China. Okay, China is our neighboring country, because the China boundary is connected with us, because it is very near to our country. So it is also, you might have seen the coronavirus first started in China, so that country is very neighbor to us or very close to us, so it is our neighboring country. Now you see that is a Nepal. Nepal also connected with our country, so it is also our neighboring country. Now you see Nepal. Okay, now we will say Bhutan. Bhutan is a country also, so it is our neighboring country. Why? Because it is connected with our boundaries. So connect one thing first, he connected that state, that country is connected and it is very near to us, so it is our neighboring country. Then you come to our, see another country, that is Myanmar. Okay, Myanmar also connected with our country, so it is also our neighboring. Now you come to Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh also connected with our country, so it is our neighboring, means it is very nearer to us, it is nearer, also they are connected with our boundary, so these are called our neighboring country. How our house is connected with other house or very near to other house, like this, these countries are very near to our country or connected with our country, so these are called neighboring country. Another country is there, you see, come to down, here you see, that is Sri Lanka. You might have heard about the Sri Lanka in Ramayana or some, so it is our another neighboring country, because it is far, it is very near to our country. If it is our country boundary, here Sri Lanka is there, so it is also our another neighboring country. Another here Maldives are there. Okay, Maldives, you see here you cannot find out, but in this small map you see this is the Maldives. Okay, this is the Maldives, you see another our neighboring country, because these are the country are very nearer to our country. Okay, or they are connected with our country's boundary. So these all are the our neighboring countries. So there are 9 countries, our neighboring country, there are 9 countries which are very close or very near to our country, so these are called our neighboring country. Understood, student? So see, first one Pakistan, then Afghanistan, second one, third one is China, fourth one is Nepal, fifth one is Bhutan, and sixth one is Myanmar, seventh one is Bangladesh, eighth one is Sri Lanka, and lastly 9th one is Maldives is here, but it is not given. Here you see another map, small map, here Maldives is there. Okay, understood? So these are the 9 countries which are very near and very close to our country. These are called our neighboring country. Understood, student? So once again I repeat, there are 9 neighboring countries are there, means which is very close to our country, means these are called neighboring countries of India because they are connected with India or very close to with India, very nearer to the India. So student, once again I repeat, 9 countries are there. First one is Pakistan, then Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Understood students? Now we will come to our books. Understood clearly? I hope everyone understood. These are the Indian map and they are it's India and its neighboring countries. Okay? How our house is there? For our house there are another neighboring house are there, like this. For our country there are another neighboring countries are there. Okay? So these are 9 countries I told you. So now we will come to our books. So now student, now we came to book. We came to know our neighboring countries, what are the 9 countries are there which is neighbor to our country. So before going to study about more about the neighboring country, we will just focus about our India. See, this is our Indian map and here I showed you that neighboring countries are there, but here blank is there, here water. Now we know this is the east, this is west, this is north, this is south. It is east direction, east. This is north, north is north. This is west, west. This is south. Okay, south, south direction. So roughly we can say this is east, this is west, this is north, this is south. Right side east, left side west, top side or upper side is north and down side is south. So this direction. Now we will come to know about more little fact more about India. Okay. So India is a huge country. Our country is very big. In a large huge country, it measures around 3,214 kilometers from north to south. I said from north to south means from north to south. How much kilometer? 3,214 kilometers from north to south, and nearly 2,933 kilometers from east to west. And from east to west, how much kilometer? 2,933 kilometers. Okay, if you go directly from north to south, how much kilometer? 3,214 and nearly 2,933 kilometers from east to west. From east to west, if you go directly, it will be 2,933 kilometers. Understood? Its long coastline stretches for nearly 7,516 kilometers. Coastline, what do you mean by coastline? Coastline means where water is connected with our border, means here you see these are the water. Okay, this blue color is the water, means from here water is connected like this. You see everywhere water is there up to this, means this length is how much? 7,516 kilometers. Okay. India also has a large population. We know our country has a large population, 130 crore people are there, they are living. To ensure that the country is run efficiently and that the needs of all its citizens are taken care of, India. So how much it's big, large people are staying here, means they are surviving, they are living here in country 130 crore people. So we have to take care them. So because of how to take care, and we have to take care all the citizenship. Its citizens are care of them, taken care of. India is divided into smaller division called states and union territories. See student, how is your family members in your home, your father and mother is caring you like this? India is the largest country. Okay, it's very big country and many 130 crore people are living here. So there is some responsibility or there is some importance to need to care of the all peoples, all citizens. Yes or no? So for that, our India is divided small division called states and union territories. Okay, so there are many states and union territories are there because we divided our country in small state and union territory, because through this we can take care all the citizenship, all the peoples. Each state has its own state government. Its own state has own state government, and the union means central government looks after the affairs of the country as well as those of the union territories. Means we divided first. See, these are the state. Means these are the one state. Small state are there. Okay, there are 28 states are there and 9 union territories are there. I will tell you these things later, but you see, so our India is divided into small state and union territories, because through this we can take care of the all citizenship. So each state has a state government, because state government run their own state very carefully and very efficiently. For that, all the peoples can live happily or with a systematic manner. So understood, student? So these are the state are there. See, one part is given. You might have seen this in this map. So these are the states. This is your Karnataka. This is Odisha. This is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra. So these are the states are there. All states they are divided into state and union territories. And next class we will discuss just how many states are there and how many union territories are there, and after that we will go for our neighboring countries. What are the neighboring countries are there? But before going to say, I will tell about our India is about India. Okay, India is a huge country. Okay, first one, India is a huge country. Second one is it measures around 3,240 kilometer from north to south. That means from north to south. This is north, this is south. How much kilometer? 3,214 kilometer. Okay, if it is our India, from north to south, how much kilometer? 3,214 kilometer. Okay, then next 2,933 kilometer from east to west. This is west. This is this is our country. This is east. This is west. How much kilometer? This is 2,933 kilometer. This direction. Okay, east to west means east to west kilometer. Here to here. 2,933 kilometer. This is 3,214 kilometer north to west. Okay. Coastline how much? Long coastline nearly 7,516 kilometer. Coastline means connect with sea or ocean. oceans. Okay, means this line sea and ocean connect 7560 kilometer 16. Okay, and it has large population.